Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick and simple guide on how to delete the cover image of a public list on X. If you've ever added a cover image to one of your lists and later decided you'd rather not have it shown, don't worry. The process is straightforward, and I'll take you through it step by step so you can do it in just a few seconds. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns the list you want to edit. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom menu and tap on the Lists option. This will bring up all the lists you've created, as well as any you follow. From here, select the public list where you want to remove the cover image. Next, once your chosen list is open, look in the top section of your screen and tap the Edit icon. This is where you can update your list details, including the cover image, description, and title. Now, to remove the cover image, tap directly on the cover image area. This will open up the editing options specifically for that section. You'll see an option that allows you to change or delete the image. Since we're focusing on removing it, go ahead and tap on the Delete icon. After tapping Delete, the cover image will instantly be removed from your list. The list itself remains intact, along with all the accounts you've added to it, but the cover image space will now be blank. If you want to, you can always come back later and add a brand new image. But if you prefer to keep things clean and simple, leaving it without one is absolutely fine. And that's it, just a few quick steps. And your list is updated with no cover image. Remember, keeping your lists organized and looking exactly how you want is part of customizing your experience on X. Thanks for watching,